Hi, others. Today I would like to shout at you, but that would be rather rude, so instead I'm just gonna say it. Be brave and just do it. Start making art and use your creativity to feel better. Why would you wait until you are good enough? Why would you wait until you bought the right paper, the right pen, the right paint, the right journal, whatever? You can procrastinate it and you can fight it. You can find all the excuses in the world, but basically you just have to get yourself together and do it. So that's why I want to say, be brave and just do it. At one moment, I realized things could be over within a snap of your finger. You might run into an accident, or you might get sick, or one of your loved ones will need all the attention. That means you need to make it happen today, right now. Not tomorrow, not next year, but now. So let's stop procrastinating and believing all the BS our mind is telling us. Because that's basically what you are doing. You believe the nasty remarks that pop up whenever you want to try something new. Something you might never have tried before, or you did it before but you stopped doing it. And the longer you keep away, the more nasty the voice gets inside. It uses your insecurity to boil you down. Our inner critic is comparing us with the monads of the world. Our inner critic is never there to help us or to encourage us to try something new. I have told myself so many times I cannot paint, I can't even count on my two hands. And it took me until I was 56 to finally take a brush and try it. And now I can't stop anymore. I'm sorry. When I started, the world opened up. A world of utter joy, a world of being in the present moment, and a world of learning, making mistakes, and getting into a mess every single day. Still, I find it hard to watch my own YouTubes back, but I've kind of taught myself to ignore that voice within. When the voice pops up, I tell myself I'm learning. I also taught myself to distract me at moments of self-doubt. I learned to recognize when it occurs and then think of something different right away. Of course, there are artists out there that create beautiful and stunning work, and let's enjoy that too. But that's not the point. The point is that your life will get so much better when you start to practicing itself. Mindful creativity, because that's how I call it, every day. That's my goal, to show you how it can make your life so much better. To get you out of the negative thinking rut into a positive upward cycle by picking up that brush and paint. Remind yourself that you aren't aiming for beautiful. Weird, messy, or even ugly, it's very much okay. That's why I show you what I make without a filter. It's all about expressing yourself as a form of self-care to enhance self-love and well-being, to connect with yourself within, to be present and to become passionate about creating and connecting to your deeper self. And never think that you are too old for it, or too young, or too whatever. We are created with this creativity inside of us, and to give that away is like giving back the energy to our Creator, whatever that might be for you and the world around us. Creativity is a spark of joy that connects everybody and everything. If you like what you see, please follow my channel, and you are always welcome to give me a thumbs up. I wish you a lovely day, and think of how you can change your mood with being creative in any way, because it doesn't have to be painting. It can be pottery, writing poems, or even dancing. And last but not least, Try to be aware of the beauty of the little things around you. Everything you see can be a spark of inspiration for your creativity. I hope you will create something today. A big hug from me and bye bye for now.